Hey, what's going on? We're live again. Hi, Amit.
Hi Mike, how are you?
Not so good. Actually, I got a cold, but again, it's not a problem today. It's not a deal breaker to run this webinar anyway and anytime. So, everyone, thanks for joining us today during the Christmas
Hi
holidays.
all.
I appreciate to see you here. Actually, it's really so excited to me to see a lot of people that signed up for today's webinar and a lot of people I think that joined. Thank you so much for your
Yeah,
time.
I think this time of the season, everybody is joining. Looks good.
Yeah, for sure.
So,
Actually, I expect to see a couple of attendees actually on this webinar, not more, but here is the real interest. Thank you so much, guys. I really much appreciate your weekend time and holiday time. It's much worthing time. It's really, I appreciate that you spend this time with us. It's important. So, Amit, how's your holidays?
holidays were good, but again, it's like we have been working. I think only on 24th or 25th we didn't work, and on first I am not there to be very honest because 31st is going to be a party. So let's hope we are excited for the new year. New things will be coming up, and that is what keeps us going as well as a team. So
Yeah,
we are
definitely.
excited for the product. We are excited about you guys and what you are doing and how you are spending your Christmas. How you spend it. Anybody wants to say anything?
Yeah, welcome to join stage if you want. It's open microphone. JC typing, working like we are.
Well
It's a
done,
great time
Jesse.
for work, actually. Yeah, because no one interrupt you during the holiday time. That's right.
Getting
Getting,
Boomerangme into Samori. I think I was on the call with him today for the integration. I hope Samori the things are working fine now.
yeah, and guys, what do you think about the new updated integration 2.0 with Go High Level? Is it better or worse? What do you think?
I think the videos that we have already created, I think Mike has done a great job. Working on 25th is something I haven't seen. And he was sharing the videos on, I think, 25th, 26th, yeah, 2 days back. So I think it has cleared all the doubts. It's very easy now. I have tried the integration myself when I was like 5 minutes, not more than that.
I'm happy to hear that because we contributed a lot to
Yeah.
create this integration as simple as we can actually because previously we got a lot of feedback like how to do this, how to do that from our existing clients, and it was terrible because we do not want to deliver you some new headaches because we know you're busy guys and you have a lot of stuff that you need to manage on a daily basis. And I believe products today should be as easiest as we can create them. It's just only one way how to create successful product at this time. So yeah, that's great. That's great. And again, guys, thank you so much for your feedback. And please don't hesitate to share your feedback or ideas or maybe some interesting use cases for new Go High Level automations for our new Loyalty Snapshot 2.0. Don't hesitate to contact us, provide your ideas. And right now, I believe we can deliver new automations, during 24 hours. It's easy to do thing right now. Okay, sorry for my voice. I get a cold, as I said before. But anyway, let's start discussing our today's main topic. And today we're gonna present you a new membership card. It's really one of most requested card from our team by the last year. After we first time presented this card in December 2022, exactly 1 year ago, from this time, from today, it was like proof of concept stage. It was like MVP because the previous card type, if you remember, contained just expiration date and that's all. It's not something that you expect to get when you're running your subscriptions for your clients, for your loyalty members, I believe. And definitely it is. I absolutely agree with you. But we started this project like this to collect your feedback and understand your pain points, your ideas, your use cases, to present you completely new and groundbreaking scenario for new membership card to cover most popular requests and present this instrument like easy to use and comfortable, that covered a lot of use cases that you provided for us for this year. I much appreciate it. Thank you so much for that. And so I'm so excited to share new update with you. And I want to say a really big thank you and share my much appreciation to my teammates, to Alex, Mike, Rustam, and Dima. Those guys actually contributed a lot. And you can imagine that this card was been created during the last 1 month and 1 week, by the last 5 weeks. It's a big update. It's a lot of new code. It's a lot of lines of code and a lot of new functionality that I want to present you today. And definitely it's one of the milestones of this new card template. Obviously, we will provide new updates, new features, new improvements future. But again, today it's something that I'm ready to present. I'm ready to start collecting the feedback from you to improve this card future and present new updates in the next video. So let's talk a bit about main use case when you can offer membership cards for your potential clients, existing clients, or maybe prospects that you're connecting first time when you're offering your loyalty as a service product under your own brand. Look, basically it's all service-based businesses. Started from from coffee shops. You can provide just a membership card for 1 month that includes, let's say, 20 cups of coffee in the first bronze tier, 30 cups of coffee in the silver tier, and let's say 50 cups of coffee in the gold tier, with the different pricing, right? With the different terms, with different limits, and maybe with additional different benefits that you will add into your plans, into your subscription. Like, only gold tier members can visit your location and can expect every time booked table for them, especially for them, like for VIP members. Why not? It's a great benefit. It's actually one of the reasons why I visit usually one of restaurants near me here in Dubai. It's important for me, and I believe it's important for many people that visit same places a lot of times. So anyway, it's also the case for restaurants, because right now how it works: restaurants offering some loyalty cards. Usually it's a reward type of cards, and usually they are offering the gift cards. And right now, I would say for 2023, and I believe for next time, it's just a part of the default feature set of the most major popular point of sale systems like Square, like Clover, like others. All of those platforms already have their own reward cards inside. Reward mechanics, I mean, not loyalty cards, and gift cards. It's something default. It's something standard right now in 2023. But membership, it's something new. And if you do your research a bit and trying to check some loyalty mechanics and marketing strategies from businesses, you can see that most modern restaurants started to implement membership for their clients. And this is the real right now. This is the big opportunity to use this card and this mechanic like a door opener product to start conversation with restaurants that from the first you have all features that they need, but not all. You have additional reasons to communicate them and offer something new and something that could be interesting to them. So let's talk about other service businesses. Like, every beauty niche could be based on the memberships without any doubts here. For example, let's talk about the beauty salons, nail salons, wax salons, daily spas, and etc. etc. For example, if it's manicure salon, right? Usually girls doing manicure one time a month, right? And it could be membership for one manicure a month that could provide one procedure a month and maybe some additional benefits above this subscription, right? Why not? And it also could be some bronze, silver, and gold. You can rename, you can create your own uh, plan tiers names, of course. You can add any limits like a number of visits, number of procedures. You can rename these items, like maybe in this procedure it's a coffee cups. In this membership card, it could be visits or manicure procedures or something like that. And also, it's a big benefit for them because if you can switch small local businesses from transactional business to SaaS business, because if they provide memberships and subscriptions, it's also SaaS business, right? They
Yeah.
can build and run their business more predictably, more scalable, and they can predict the revenue for the next, let's say, month, 3 months, like a quarter, for a half year, maybe for the next year. And also, we will provide all statistics inside your account, like MRR, IRR, churn rate, retention rate, revenue, net revenue, gross revenue, and other metrics that really connecting to all SaaS businesses, because you can switch again local businesses to SaaS, providing them membership cards, VIP subscriptions. And again, it's something that could work like a standalone product. And this is so important for me because right now, as you know, we have just a couple integration with third parties. We contributing a lot and working hard to make integrations and provide you new, really groundbreaking integration with major point of sale system during 2024, of course, to help you deliver this product more and sell this product more. Of course, we understand this completely. But right now, membership card, it's something that you can offer like a standalone without any additional integration. That's not needed actually in this case, because let's imagine, right? We can set up the membership tiers. We can set up the limits inside the product. We can connect the payment gateway. That's the Stripe right now in this case. We can share card installment link. In this case, it would be a membership subscription link where customer can choose one of the tiers, understand the difference between them, and subscribe immediately from this form. And immediately after that, install the card seamlessly on the device with the right expiration date, with the right limits, with option to upgrade plan, downgrade plan, cancel subscription, manage subscription for any reasons actually. And for the business part, it's a great opportunity to collect subscription-based payments and understand all the traction of the revenue. It means right now these products start generating direct revenue for the businesses, not just regular customers, not just retention rate, not just a loyalty ROI that we presented a couple of weeks ago with Amit. In our dashboard, it's right now a standard feature available for all plans. But right now, these tools start generating revenue and real money for your clients. And you can expect that some products generate direct revenue to your bank account. It doesn't make any sense to cancel subscription for this service and exclude this service from your offering if these generate you revenue. Does it make sense, Amit?
Yes, perfectly.
Yeah, I think too. And I'm really proud to share that. And I'm so excited to present this product today because right now it should be something groundbreaking. And, it's a great point of contact with your prospects. It's something new, not completely new on the market, but it's, you can believe me, it's easiest to use membership management software on the market in 2023. And I believe in the next 2024 as well, because all the settings that I will go in you through right now during these presentations will take something about 5 to 10 minutes to completely set up your membership card and start but subscribing new members for your tiers and for your membership plans. Just 10 minutes for onboarding, and you're ready to generate new, sustainable, and repeatable revenue source for your clients' businesses. How it sounds?
Great. I'm excited about it. Uh, is that a revenue producing system or they aim to upsell other services to people who come for the car? Okay, he's asking Martin, not me.
I think I didn't get the point, Amit. Could you help me, please, again?
No, actually, he's asking Martin, not you.
Ah, okay. That's not the point. But I see some ideas like our local car wash has a membership program for unlimited car washes per month. Yeah, that's also the case for this loyalty mechanic, and you can easily just digitize existing membership program that they have right now to understand more. It could be interesting if you can share the name of the product that they already use right now, and we can provide more benefits, I believe, because you can use this membership card with all the power of other feature set of this product right now. Like a push notifications, it's the most important touch point in our product because it's completely free and unlimited for businesses. And as you remember, you can push your customers much often instead of texting or emailing, because a lot of text and emails, it looks like a spam, but a lot of push notifications looks good. Just
Yeah.
track your Amazon application, how often they push you with new updates. For me, actually, it's just in my case, they pushed me every day, daily basis, and it looks
Same, same.
it looks really helpful sometimes. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, don't hesitate to share in the chat. If you want to turn on your microphone and join the stage, please welcome. It's the last webinar in this year for us, and let's rock this webinar. Help us
Yeah.
to make it better and better and unforgettable experience. So, okay, let me please start presenting my screen. I think this is the right time to show you how you can set up new membership card 2.0 in your Boomerangme interface. As usual, our major, standard for all the webinars, and this is the reason actually why we moved this webinar from yesterday for today. I'm really apologize for this inconvenience, but we present all the features that we already publish it on the real product stage. It means you can open your Boomerangme account and start playing with me together. That's the case. So, do you see my screen, Amit? All is good?
Yes, all good.
Beautiful. As usual, guys, right now we are on the main dashboard of Boomerangme, where we can see all the information by the loyalty statistics and our brand new loyalty ROI widget that we published just not a long time ago. And we need to open the card section and try to create the new card membership type, of course. Membership card, let's name it demo number 18. That's so good. If you check this already, as you can see, this is the new feature and new update for a card appearance. This is the photo of your members. This is the one of the most unexpected things for my teammates, I would say, because previously we didn't realize that we need to add photos on the membership cards, but after we get in a lot of requests during this year, we figure out this is important. This is really so important, I believe, to completely identify your customer with the membership card, because membership card could be shared with friends, with colleagues, with family members, to visit, for example, the one gym. That's the case. That could be the case. I didn't met this case in my past, I want to say, but I think that's the main reason why you asked us a lot to provide a photo just inside the card. And we a little bit redesigned the main part of the card, the main banner, and we placed the member's name there. And also we placed the photo of the card holder here to easily identify card holder person. So let's go next and as a first and the main setting, actually, you start seeing the payment gateway connection. Right now, it's only the Stripe, and I believe for the next time it will be only Stripe, because Stripe supports Stripe customer portal that provide us a lot of features like membership management, subscription management, upgrades, tiers, downgrade tiers, cancellations, providing invoices and other services. This product provide us some, transactional management, and this is important because this card really works with the real money, not with the bonus points, not with the visits, not with the limits, not with the other imaginary things, but with the real money. And we should work strictly with this. And Stripe, it's a great provider, I believe, for any payment transactions. I'm really happy to work with the Stripe for a long time, and I'm happy to implement this product inside our own. So let's talk about the connection. It's as usual, really simple. You just need to fill in two codes, public key and the secret key. And you can start playing with demo account that Stripe provides by default. If you register a new account, you will get access immediately to the test environment, where you can get your test keys, like a public and secret key, as I just connected here right now. Let's reload the page to check the connection. Yeah, the button is connected. We will polish this functionality to show you the status immediately after you connect your keys inside the product, of course. It's in the progress right now, you need to know. And guys, again, don't hesitate to start playing with the product and provide your feedback. It will be much appreciated by me and my teammates from Dev Team, of course. So next setting, it's after renewal. Of course, by default, we provide you this service with the after renewal. It means we will create subscriptions on the Stripe side that will renew automatically on the particular billing period. We will talk about billing period a little bit after, but I want to step forward and just say that it will be available on daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis. Unfortunately, Stripe doesn't provide us ability to subscribe your customers for more than 1 year period. It's just a technical limitation from the payment gateway side. But anyway, I think the 1 year annual subscriptions, it's also the great opportunity to charge money upfront from your customers to literally just stick them to your business for 1 year ahead. That's the great opportunity still. So also we will add you opportunity to provide lifetime memberships with the one-time payments, like AppSumo do, for example, right? But it's not available, and I believe my teammates will deploy this feature and deliver this feature in the start of the next year, in the start of the January. So next setting, it's a membership expiration option. It could be based on paid period, and I think that's the better option for renewal, for after renewals option. For example, if your customer subscribe on monthly plan, the expiration date will equal to the payment period. It means for a month, right? If it's a quarter, for a quarter, if it's annual, for a year, and etc. If you will charge your customer just one time, it makes sense to provide a specific time and date, for example, if you want, and you will still provide the unlimited subscriptions, fixed term after the setting of this card, and fixed term after card issuing for each customer personally, of course. So we will choose the first option based on paid period here for this presentation. And let's talk about the membership tier unit measure name. Maybe it sounds a little bit strange, but if you could provide us better ideas, welcome to do that. You're welcome here. But, This is the one of most popular requests from our clients to rename stamps into the stamps cards, and we will deliver the same update for the stamp card as well. And I want to highlight you actually and a little bit uncover and announce the next hour update. We will provide a huge update for a stamp card. First of all, we will rename it into the punch card. And right after that, we will give you ability to create the multi-punch card as a default feature in Card Designer in the settings. It will be available also next year. And also we will deliver you ability to customize the punch or stamp name into your own. In this case, I want to set up, let's say, the membership card for a gym, because if we right understand your request, the most popular use case right now for membership cards, that's the gyms. And let's operate with visits. Let's set up the available limits for a month, and let's start configuring our tiers. For our imaginary gym, let's name this gym like a Boomerang gym. What do you think, I mean? That's a great path for our business for the next year. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree with you.
Okay, so I think bronze, silver,
So,
gold. That's the great names for a gym, like medals, like a trophies from competitions. Okay, we can set up the tier name. You need to know that just a one tier name, it's a minimal requirement for the membership card, because you cannot subscribe anyone if you do not have any tiers, any plans, any pricing. In this case, this card will not work. Just simple, right? The first tier name and first tier you cannot delete, but you can create up to 5 tiers into your membership card. Let's start from the first one, from the bronze. You can create description for your card. For example, it could be the basic Boomerang gym membership. Okay. And after, we can set up the pricing for different periods. We can subscribe our customers for daily, for weekly, for monthly, and for the yearly. And we could also set up one of the periods as a recommended. As you maybe remember, in many SaaS businesses, you can open the pricing page and you can see that optimal plan right in the center of your page. It's a recommended plan. This plan works as an eye catcher to attract more customers and deliver more subscription exactly on this plan. And you can do the same actually in the customer onboarding form and subscription form in this card. So I don't believe that daily that's the case for gym. And I don't think the weekly it's also the case. I will just turn off these time periods for this plan, and I will provide the monthly payment and the yearly payment, yearly period for this card. For monthly, I believe I would provide just, 20 visits for $35 a month. And also, guys, right now you have ability to customize the currency for membership card, for reward card, for gift cards as well. And this setting is available in your setting page. I will present you how it looks like into the dashboard. So I want to provide monthly and yearly plan. I want to set up yearly as a recommended plan. As you can see, you can choose just only one plan as recommended to avoid any misunderstanding on the pricing page, because you can attract attention just to only for the one option, to exclude any additional options and to increase the conversion rate. It's a classical marketing strategy, So monthly payment will about $35, and yearly payment will something about $350. It means 2 months as a bonus. You will pay for 10 months and get 2 months as a free. I think that's the great option for a membership in any cases. And if we provide 20 limits a month, we will provide 240 limits a year, and let's offer 300 limits, a bit better instead, unlike the monthly payment. And also we could add the benefits. Benefits, it's some uncountable feature that you can add into your plan. For example, it could be the free towels in the gym. It could be the extended, access to VIP trainings from the best performing persons or something like that. Maybe some workshops in your gym, and for these customers, it will be available by default without counting the limit. This is the difference between the limits that we fill in here for monthly and for yearly. So let's talk about the free towel, and let's fill free towels here. Let's fill in some, extended visit time, and maybe access to the buffs. Okay, yeah. Just for an example. Okay, please don't pay too many attention for that. So that's the case for bronze plan, and let's configure the silver plan. Silver, if that's the basic, this is the the pro Boomerang gym membership. Also, I will disable daily and weekly periods for subscription. I will prefer to use as a recommended yearly payment, and I need to a little bit improve the pricing. For example, $55 a month. I think it's really too high for gym, and let's think about this gym like for a VIP gym, okay? If you want. And $550 a year, and limits could be the same. For example, 20 and 300s, and I will add more benefits like access to the first of all included in bronze plan are there, of course. Also, access to the VIP events in the gym, and also maybe the personal trainings with our experts. Looks good, I think. Okay, and the last one is the gold tier. We can delete this tier if they want, but let's configure just for an example to see how it will look like in our membership subscription form. Okay, the gold tier, if that's the pro, let's name it like a diamond Boomerang gym membership. Also the same, I just disable daily and weekly subscriptions, just mark as recommended the yearly payment, and a little bit increase the pricing for this plan. And maybe let's a little bit increase the limits and add the benefits.
The benefit, Mike, the benefit will be that somebody will be doing the gymming and you will be losing the weight.
Yeah, in US, that's the case. It could be the case. All include in the silver plan, and maybe some, VIP events again, and maybe VIP trainings, and maybe some diet and healthy meals are available. Healthy, okay, meal are available in your plan, like some buffet in your gym. So great. Let's go ahead and configure the card issuing form. By default, we're asking for the first name, last name, phone number, email, date of birth, and as you can see, the photo is there right now. We can delete this if you want, but just for an example, I want to use this field and set up my photo when I will create the new membership subscription for this card. Okay, by default, we have actually our system limitation for 6 card issuing form fields by default as a maximum. What do you think about that? Maybe we need to just disable this synthetical limitation and give you ability to ask your customers to provide more information about them. But my recommendation here is try to collect as less as you can to increase the conversion rate into the subscriptions.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's also the case right now. 6 fields, that's maximum, and right now 6 fields are there. Also, standard settings for us, I think you're already familiar with. You can customize your locations to show geofenced push notification that works around 330 feet around your business locations or maybe your competitor locations. It's also the case. You can customize the language, date format, thousands, decimal separators, UTM links, phone mask, privacy policy. You can allow your customers to install these loyalty cards into the Google Wallet. And actually, that's the great news for us. Google announced a couple of weeks ago push notifications in their next release for Google Wallet. And that sounds really excited for us. And that's the reason why we designed PWA cards that works like a web view for Android users to deliver push notification. And I believe they will deliver this feature as they already committed. And I think after this update, Google Wallet start make sense again as the option to install the loyalty card as a destination for the cards. Okay, next one. That's the old feature, the limit, the number of card issued. For example, if you want to provide some exclusive membership just for the first 100 customers who will subscribe, it's also the case you can customize. If you will use the 0 in these fields, it means your loyalty cards number are unlimited. And the limit of customers check-ins a day, that's the new settings that we get from the rewards card. And with the rewards card, you really appreciated this feature. You appreciated this setting. Even for the setting, if you add bonus points for the visits, we can limit the number of limit of the number for check-ins a day. And it's also makes sense, I think, for a membership card for a gym. I know a couple of my friends who trained 2 times, 3 times a day, but that's not the usual case. And you can set up the limitation, for example, 1 visit for a day. And that's the place for analytics codes for your Facebook pixel code and Google Analytics code. And for this card type, I think it makes a lot of sense because that's the membership subscription page, your conversion page, and it makes sense to collect the data, understand the conversion, train your pixel for Google Analytics, for Facebook pixel, to maybe after, first of all, to set up your remarketing and retargeting campaigns in Facebook and Google Ads to collect people who visited your membership subscription page but didn't subscribe, right? And moreover, you can understand what type of people subscribe for your plans and easily set up just lookalike campaigns in your Facebook ads to attract new members from your area, from your local marketing campaign. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. A little bit looks complicated from the first view, but I hope when you complete a couple of settings and when you set up a couple of cards, it will be clear for you. And also tomorrow, and I think by the end of this year, we will provide the video tutorials, how-to videos, and the knowledge-based articles that will cover all the settings, all the features, and all things that you need to do to start subscribing new customers for your membership. So next, design page, simple as usual. You can add your logo. That's the Boomerang, Boomerang gym. And I want to use our beautiful logo for this card. PNG file. Here, icon. I can also upload the icon. I prefer to use the black one. It looks pretty well from my point of view. This icon will appear in your push notifications near your company name. And the background of the central part, but please be careful with your designs for the background, because in this card we will use the member's name just above your image. You need to still keep the contrast between the background image and the text color that you can customize a little bit below. And you need to remember about the photo that will be placed here in the right side of your loyalty card here. I think that's the great place for some design workshops and some ideas. We will put this, we will post this in our community, and we will ask our community, active community members, to prepare some beautiful ideas for backgrounds, especially for membership cards with some, circles around the main photo or maybe something like that. I think this is the place for your design ideas, actually. Or in my case, I will just skip this setting, and I will just blank this image and fill in the white color instead of image here in this part. Next one, custom fields. By default, we prefer to place the member's name. That's the default, and you cannot customize this custom field right now, but future, obviously, we will give you this opportunity. As a customizable fields, you can customize the membership tier and available limits. That's the two new options that you can customize in your membership card. Next one, you can show your logo at the card issuing form. You can show your background color on the card issuing form. It's just a minor design settings for your card issuing form. Card description, Boomerangme membership card. Company name, obviously Boomerangme. Active links, it will be our URL. Okay. Feedback links I will skip to save the time. And terms of use, guys. So right now we prepared some template for terms of use, especially for memberships and especially actually for US, for United States. This text will be available in our knowledge base first tomorrow, and also after we will generate the terms of use generically, automatically, based on the terms and conditions that you already set it up into the settings and design page. We will just generate the template. If you want to customize your terms and conditions, terms of use, you can do it easily. This is just the place for your for your contribution here. But we will prepare these terms of use properly according US laws regarding memberships, and generically that will save you time for setup membership for your customers easily. And I think it makes sense to provide the link to the full terms and conditions that could be usually placed on the client's website. I think it makes sense if business starts subscribing new customers for the memberships. It's much better to present these terms of use publicly on the website, and you can easily place this link here. Like, in my case, it would be our website, boomerangme.biz. Okay, company name, email, and phone number there. Finish the settings. We just spent something about 20 minutes for set up this loyalty card, because I'm explaining all the steps just word by word, step by step, really thoroughly through the whole process. But if you will complete these settings just one time, next setting will take you not more than 5 minutes. We tested this in our team already. So here is the QR code. I prefer to little bit stop the presentations. Please take your phones, take your devices, and just scan this real QR code from my screen, from this shading, and try to install new membership cards for your devices. Subscribe for the plans. Guys, When you will subscribe for the plans, please fill in card detail data for the Stripe demo. I will place this demo data here in our chat. You can use the same setting. This is the card number. This is the expiration date, and this is the CVV code that you can use into the payment form from Stripe side. Stripe form will accept this as a demo payment, and after that you can install this card on your device immediately. Amit, did you finish?
Just doing it.
Okay. How it looks like on the card issuing form? Did you see the options for the plans?
Yeah, it looks great. Okay.
Guys, can I move forward? Can I go ahead, or I need to still show this QR code on the screen?
No, you can move forward. I think I'm done.
Mike says subscribe button not working for me. Mike, please fill in properly card number and card date. But I think I know what's the problem. You need to choose subscription period. Got it. I had to choose. Yeah, Mike. That's got it. That's great. Andy asking why it requests to must upload photos. So it's up to you, because when we created this loyalty card, we decided to set up this field as required field. If you do not want to collect photos, you can just delete this field and move forward. It's up to you. But again, guys, we thoroughly and carefully collected all the feedback during all this year from you, actually, and photo is one of the most popular requirements for this card. And we spent a lot of time to add this photo on the card. It's not something that was really simple, to be honest. Okay, I want to move forward. Just copy the link, activate the card. Same scenario, download the PDF file to share this membership. You need to know that PDF file not completed yet, and we will add membership tiers, configure this file a little bit after. We need a bit time for that. So let's open the membership subscription form. Looks a bit different, unlike our standard card issuing form, right? And instead of the customer fields, you can see the plans available to subscription. First of all, our logo here into the top, Boomerangme membership card, bronze tier, basic Boomerangme membership, and that's the benefits of this plan. Free towels, extended visit time, and access to the buffs. My recommendation actually here, guys, please use emojis here, like gems, like some gold, like some money, like some fingers pointed to these to attract attention to these fields. Emojis are available here in this section. And two options: you can subscribe on monthly, you can subscribe for yearly. You can see the limits. You can subscribe monthly for $35 a month with limit of 20 visits, okay? And the most popular, to attract attention, the yearly plan for $350 a year with limit of 300 visits. If you didn't choose anything, your subscribe button is unavailable, because we do not know what the plan you prefer to subscribe for, right? You need to choose before, yearly or monthly. If you have any ideas how to improve the user experience there, please welcome to share your ideas. Next one, there's the silver plan, there's the gold plan, and all the same options: monthly, yearly, monthly, yearly, monthly, yearly. Okay, I prefer to subscribe for highest plan, yearly gold plan. And as a next step, I need to fill in my personal data to subscribe. Phone number, email, Date of birth. And upload or take a photo. My photo is Richie in this case, of course. Terms of use will be available a little bit below. Here in this section, I need to accept with terms of use before subscribe on this plan and agreed that my personal data can be used and provided for direct marketing purposes, actually for receiving push notifications from the brand. Push the button, install enable wallet. Pay with Visa, subscribe. I already fill in this data, but you know, I want to show you the use case from the step one. Oh my gosh, I show you not the right screen. Subscribe now. Again, my personal data. I'm sorry, guys. A little bit different number. Plus. Amit, if we have any ideas, questions, or requests, please let me know from the chat. Okay.
How do we link the check-ins with automation like email, chatbot, Zapier, or other automation tool?
You can get all this information with the Stripe API and connect with the Stripe API. I think that's the native integration here for Zapier, for Publi, for other information. So here for the testing reason, as you can see, this is our account, but in the test mode, I need to fill in the demo data for subscription, 1224 and CVV 111, cardholder name. This could be my name, and subscribe here. And we subscribe successfully. Status confirmed. Get the pass. Right now I'm playing from my Google Chrome account, and Google Chrome just downloaded the pass. Open an Apple Wallet. That's not the case. In my case, it should be some open in PWA card, but you know, it's something that we need to a little bit polish right now. And after that, you can see your installed card on your device. Card is already, membership is already created, card already set up, and that's all. We can move back to the service. So here I want to ask you what do you think about that?
See, there is a question that how the visitor is going to be counted or tracked.
Sure. That's a beautiful question. You can track all the visits and redeem limits from customer plan using Scanner application. Scanner application is already updated, and you can work with new membership cards 2.0. All of those, that's the parts of this new functionality, of course.
And how can they use it if they don't connect the Stripe?
Unfortunately, without the Stripe, you cannot subscribe your customers for the payments. That's not the case here. But, you know, if you want to use your own payment gateway, your own maybe membership software to manage memberships, for example, if you're playing with Go High Level and Go High Level memberships, you can use this card template with the API, of course. You can charge your customers in Go High Level, for example, and set up the plans, set up the limits, set up the expiration dates through the API. API for this new card will be available during next week.
And one question from Kamal, and that is a very valid one. What if a member signs up for a paid plan and then sends the installation link to their friends and have them download the pass? Maybe consider using a one-time card installation link.
This is the one-time installation link, unique by every customer after the payment.
Okay.
I think if you want to find some fraud, you can create some ideas and create some not standard use cases to fraud this card. This could be the case, but right now it's very smooth, very simple, and I believe in 99% of the cases it will work without any props. And you need to know that the next update for this card, we will add the opportunity to subscribe for someone as a gift. For example, if you already subscribed for this gym and you really love the Boomerangme, and I believe you will love the new Boomerangme that we will open from January with Amit in Los Angeles, I believe. That's the joke, of course. And maybe you will want to subscribe for your girlfriend, right? And just gift her. You can do that. You can choose the same subscription, choose the option subscribe as a gift for someone, and fill in the recipient data for delivering the card. You will provide your card's details, credit card details. You will subscribe, and subscription will create it for you personally, like for a payment person. But the membership and card will be created for another person and will be delivered by the SMS and email to recipient. And after installation, you will get a report about the installation.
And what if someone joins and completes the checkout on a computer? How can they install on their Apple?
That's also the case, and we are working on opportunity to onboard customers from the dashboard, unlike the self-onboarding using this link. We designed this flow, and we're working on this flow. I believe we will deliver this flow by the middle of January, something like that. So in this case, it will look like this. Manager in location will fill in the customer data, customer details in the dashboard, just create a new customer. And we'll choose one of three options for subscription. First of all, without any money. For example, free giftery membership for friends, for business owner, for someone, doesn't matter. And after creating the customer, this card will be delivered by the text and email to recipient, and you will get the report about the installation by the right person. Next option, online payment. We will send the same card installation link and same membership subscription link, but with the pre-filled information to recipient. Recipient will choose the right plan, subscribe, fill in the card details, but all the personal details will be already pre-filled in. And moreover, this customer will be already into this customer base, into the business customer base. And the last option, that's the cash. That's the cash, and if you prefer to get money for this subscription in cash, you can do that. But after you subscribe new customer and issue new membership card, you should need to fill in the purchase amount in our dashboard to track loyalty ROI and membership details and membership ROI, LTV, and other membership and subscription metrics,
Can we limit the number of different devices the membership card can install?
So look, Andy, my recommendation is try to avoid any imagination of fraud and other problems. Let's start using this software and start receiving real use cases. We can imagine any problems, any things, but we just tracked and thoroughly inspected at least of 5 popular and really useful membership management software before we designing this feature for our product, and we didn't find any prevention or any super secure features. It's not something that super valuated things. It's not $1 million connected to the card. This is to avoid people to share the membership card. It's impossible to share this card because we right now just disabled the referral program and sharing option. But in the future, we will update the membership referral, and we will add some limits for referring the friends, for inviting the friends. For example, if you have 20 limits a month, if you invite 2, 3, 5, 10 people, you will increase your limit to 20 more, 50 more, or unlimited more. It will be available in the settings. But we start playing with major and most necessary important feature set that will allow you to onboard new customers on this product, generate revenue for your agency, generate revenue for your clients, and deliver more values to their businesses. That's the case.
See, Costco digital membership card, they only let you install in one device. When you switch device, it forces them to log out from the other device. Okay.
I'm happy for the Costco. They're a really big brand, and I think that's the main case in their situation. Maybe in the future we will add this opportunity, but before we need to collect some real cases and real problems before. We're really open to get your feedback, guys, but we're trying to avoid any imaginations. Imaginations, this is not the customer development. It's not equal to customer development. If we see the real cases, if we see the real problems, we immediately trying to solve the problems. I think you already know about that, and you can just join our community if you're still not, and check many cases inside regarding some bug reports and just 24-hour solutions. Yeah, that's the case. Do not trying to handle possibilities of customer objections, because that's the imaginations. That's not the real cases right now. And usually customers want to have absolutely different things that we instead of we expect when we're building some software. It's
I'm having a very hard time getting my 800 verified with Twilio, and have asked for support and haven't get a resolution. It has to do with the opt-in and opt-in flow on their form. It has to be described on how the platform handles the opt-in. Please help.
Mike, I want to help you with Twilio, to be honest. That's the real, but I'm not working in Twilio. I cannot push them, unlike you. That's the problem with third-party providers. We are responsible to solve any problems on our side, and we are happy to do that anytime. That's the truth. You can check it if you don't sure. But, Twilio is something that managed by Twilio.
It's how the boom handles opt-in.
I'm not sure, actually. I think the better way to check what's the problem is to thoroughly go through our videos, tutorials regarding Twilio setup. And if something went wrong with delivery messaging, with reply rates or something like that, it's much better to push their customer support team. They're really quickly answering through their chat. It's not too simple to find this chat, but you can go through the support from their documentation and push them through the chat, through the live chat. Because previously I did this case by myself, and they're answering really quickly.
Feature to consider, maybe the benefit is should be ticked off as the user case is when the member gets one free yoga class as part of the membership, as part of the basic plan. But for the VIP plan, it's 10 sessions. We should be able to control how many times they can use the benefit, as this will make
Yeah.
the member.
You can do it right now. You can just mark this as a benefit for your bronze plan, for your silver plan, for anything else. Just first free onboarding session, or maybe something like that. Right now you get access to uncountable values and countable values, and you can play with those differently. If you want to track just visits, track only visits. If you want to give some benefits, just first onboarding session, just play this onboarding session like a uncountable benefit. Okay? Mike, thanks for reporting this feature. Please DM me in Facebook. I will check by myself what's wrong with your Twilio setting. If there's problem on our side, we will solve this in minutes. Yeah, you're welcome. So I think we a little bit out of the time today.
Yeah.
Let's just summarize this meeting. And guys, what do you think about this new card? Love it. Thanks, Andy. Awesome. Thanks, Kamal. Kamal, I think that's the feature designed for your needs. Do you remember
Yeah.
our last conversation, I believe 6 months ago? Yeah. A lot of yours requirements are there. Deliver it. Please receive your delivery. Yeah, thanks for your sharing. Thanks for your contribution. And Kamal really contributed a lot and prepared just, big mind board in Miro with requirements, connections between different objects and subjects for this product. Kamal really is a co-designer for this feature. I love it. Thanks, man.
Thanks, Kamal.
Yeah, you're welcome. And guys, let's a little bit congrats our team with this update, because again, I want to say many thanks to Alex, Mike, Dima, Ruslan. They contributed a lot for last month to make this feature happen. And that's amazing. Just imagine, from just 4 backend developers worked on this feature. But this is the real product in the product. You can sell it just a standalone product, outstanding product from all Boomerangme feature, and that's the case. Great work. I agree. Why Y Combinator? Don't understand.
I don't. I think.
No. We decided to avoid any accelerations because we understand our path right now. We have a big roadmap from you guys. Thank you so much for providing us just a light into our tunnel. That's important, and we know what we need to do. We just need to work as hard as we can and deliver new features for you to increase your sales, and all will be good, I believe. So I think that's one last question from Martin. Can I ask about punch cards? When are punch cards being updated? I'm creating. Guys, please give us a couple of days for rest. It's December of 28, and we're still playing webinars. In January, we plan to update punch cards. In the end of January, or maybe in the start of February. I think right now why we put punch cards in the end of our pipeline, because punch cards work great right now without additional features, additional settings, but in the simple setup, it looks and works pretty well. It's one of the most popular cards used by our clients, used by you. We see that in our statistics right now. This is why we decided to highly improve different cards before getting back to punch cards again. So, guys, a little bit greetings before we will finish this meeting today. First of all, Amit, I want to congrats you with this amazing year. I want to share my appreciation that you connected to join our team. I really happy to work with you. I want to say many thanks for Ruda, many thanks for Alicia, our sales teammates that deliver new revenue for our team and deliver some additional resources to hire new people, to deliver more products, deliver more updates. That's important. Amit, I much appreciate it, and really thanks God that I can found this big and really huge, great team for our sales department. So thanks for co-hosting webinars from the start of June this year. I didn't count the number of webinars that we did, Amit. Do you?
Yeah, I haven't seen the replays as well somehow. Never have the time for it.
Interesting. Need to count before our tomorrow's party how many
Yeah.
webinars we did for this year, and moreover, next year we wanna still keep the same traction. We wanna keep the same process and tempo, and provide every year, every week webinars with new updates for the features, with new strategies for sales, with new ideas how to use this product for your clients, to provide as more content as we can. We have a lot of expertise, we have a lot of ideas to you, and we wanna success you as soon as we can, because your success, it's our success. And my last greetings to you guys, of course, because without you it didn't happen, it cannot be happen. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for subscribing our plans. Thank you so much for providing your valued feedback for the product. Thank you so much for your ideas and contribution. Thank you so much for staying with us with this during these boring webinars. I do not know how do you sit on these webinars for the 1 year, for the 1 hour, with my strange voice today, with my sick voice. Thank you so much for that. I much appreciate that. And we are the partners. We not just Boomerang. It's not just a vendor. You're not just a buyer. We are the partners. We building the product. We building the software. You deliver this software to the clients. You scaling this product across the world in 63 countries. Let's imagine, not the US, not the North America only. That's the 63 countries around the world. We even issued 2 million loyalty cards. I think in 2024, in the first part, we will hit this number. 2 million loyalty cards across this planet. That's the huge. Just for 3 years, that's a great results. And many thanks for you guys, for our clients, to stay in with us, to fly in with us, to subscribe in our plans, and selling this product. It's really, really important for us. Thank you so much. I wish you great sales, of course. Only loyal customers, as I usually say. And, all the best to you and your families and your businesses, of course. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah.
See you next year. Bye.
Hey, take care.